Please show us some love and do subscribe to our channel by clicking on that red subscribe link and turn on notifications so you never miss anything from us.
Hi everyone, welcome to Get Set Ma. I am Priya Katpal and I am a nutritionist. Today we are going to talk about appetite drop, especially at the 1 year mark of children and of course later as toddlers or preschoolers. Let's first understand why does this happen. Well, a child is growing leaps and bounds every few weeks. At the mark of 1 year, they are not only growing physically, but there is a lot to do mentally. Their vocabulary is increasing, they are observing so much and learning a lot. And that's when sometimes an appetite drop happens at the 1 year mark. What do you do when this happens? Well, nothing much. Continue to offer the food as you used to do earlier. Keep a routine. Give them what they like, but not every day or every moment because you want them to have a lot of food. That's not going to make sense. That might just change their habits and they would want to eat everything that they like at every time. We don't want to do that. Now let's understand, sometimes the appetite would also drop at later stages when they are 18 months, 2 years, 2.5 years for various reasons. It could be anxiety of a new thing like going to school. It could be separation from mom, like mom going back to work. It could be sickness. Various reasons could actually lead to appetite drop. If you could pinpoint and understand these reasons, you will be able to work around this appetite drop much better, because a lot of times food only will not solve the problem. You may have to develop an emotional bond, give the child the assurance about how you are always going to be around, make the child feel safe, etc. Like I said, it would really depend upon the cause. But when it comes to food, the routine remains same. Keep offering, keep asking them what they like, keep giving them food when you are sitting to eat, share the plate with them. All this encourages them to actually get back to their routine, and the appetite drop will actually get better, as in it will come back to its original self. I think none of us should really stress about it much. The more you stress about it, children sense that, and the more they would want you to have a tough time about it. Well, they don't do it on purpose. But of course, because they are themselves trying to learn so many things, food is the last thing on their mind. They're trying to run around, walk around and whatnot. So let's just give them a break. Keep following the routine as I mentioned. Keep giving them calorie dense food at that time, because if they eat maybe one meal at a time, not the next, you don't know what is going to happen to the next meal. You would want the child to have something calorie dense and nutrient dense. Now let's also understand when you should actually worry. When the child is not eating for more than 3 days at a stretch, even a single meal properly, you definitely need to rethink what is going wrong. This majorly can happen when the child is sick. Now, a lot of times sickness like viral or fever can drop the appetite to a great extent, and the child may go foodless for about 3 to 4 days. Now, when I say that you should worry, I don't mean panic mode worry. I just mean you may want to up your game and try and give the child something to keep the hydration levels high. During the fever and sickness, it's very important that the child doesn't go under dehydration. So remember this point. During these times, food is not your concern, but liquids are. So try and give soups, maybe some fluid, ORS that is available in the market, or make a simple lemon juice at home. Involve the child if the child is able to sit or stand with you, not very sick, so that they feel a little bit of change in their routine. Involve them in making a little bit of lemon juice, squeeze the lemon. This will also give them the change of environment and develop the appetite back. So food does not always mean solid food. Liquids also become important during sickness. Once the liquids go in, the appetite will improve with time. I hope this helps everybody here who's watching this video in taking care of the appetite drop, and mommies, don't get too stressed about it. Bye-bye from Get Set Ma. Watch our video and subscribe to us.